So welcome everybody. Today we will learn what is HCF. HCF stands for highest common factor and is also known as greatest common divisor or GCD. So let's start. So what is HCF? The largest number that divides two or more numbers is the highest common factor for those numbers. For example, consider the numbers 30, which we break further to 2 into 3 into 5, 36, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, 42, 2 into 3 into 7, and 45, which we break further to 3 into 3 into 5. 3 in these numbers, 3 is the largest number that divides each of these numbers, and hence is the HCF of these numbers. So if you want to know what are factors, then see my video on factors and multiples in my channel, and the link is also in the description. So let's start with an example. So 300, let's take the numbers 300 and 400, and we have to take the HCF of these numbers, take out the HCF of these numbers. If we break it down, then it will be 2 into 3 into means 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. Of 400, it will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Then if we can see that it can be also 4 into 4 into 5 into 5, and also 16 into 25. Okay, all of the numbers are correct, but to find out the HCF we need the smallest group of numbers like this. So if we keep them in order, then 300 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5, and 400 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. So if we see 5 and 2 are both common in these numbers, and 2 times each, like this. So the HCF will be 2 into 2 into 5 into 5, which means 4 into 25 and 100. So if how 2 into 2 into 5 into 5, so we have to multiply all the common factors of these numbers. Like here 2 is common 2 times and 5 is common 2 times. So 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 means 100. Hence 100 is the HCF of 300 and 400. So now we will learn what are the methods to find HCF. First method is HCF through prime factorization. How to find the HCF through prime factorization? Take the numbers, like we have taken 300 and 400, and keep them like this. Okay, now now divide it by the smallest number that divides it. Okay, like 2 divides it, the smallest number till now, then it will be 150. Now again it is divisible by 2, so 2 1 here we will write the factors. So it will be 75, then divide 3, it is divided by 3, then it will be 25, then 5, it will be 5, and 5, then 1. Okay, and if we see 24, then 2 is the smallest factor, 200. Then the rule of prime factorization, that the numbers here will be should be prime numbers. Okay, and now if we see this is the smallest, and it should not be 1 or the number itself, and so 2 is the smallest factor of this number. So 200, then 2, again 100, then it is also divisible by 2, then 50, it is then also divisible by 2, then 25, 5 5 5 1. Okay, so again we have come to this order that was in the previous page, like 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5, 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5, and here 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5, here also 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. So then you know what is in the next step. We have to follow this step again. Okay, now the next method is division method. So HCF through division method is like this. The numbers were 300 and 400. So we have to divide 300 and any of the two numbers. If there were more numbers, then we have to take any two numbers and divide them. The smallest will be here and the biggest will be here, bigger will be here, and the smaller will be here. So now if we see, here is 400 and here is 300. So if we divide it, then 300, here is a special rule that here now 100 is the divisor and the previous divisor is now the dividend. Now if we see 3, so 300. Okay, and the HCF will be the last divisor that we divided with. So here 100 is the last divisor, so 100 is the HCF of these two numbers. If we take more examples like a big complex numbers like 4 numbers, now we will do with 4 numbers. Okay, so let's see, take 6, 10, 12, 16. So here will be 6 by 6 divided by 10, 1, 6, so 4. Now we have to divide it by 6 as I said. Now it will be 1, 4, 2, 4, and then 2, 4, 0. Okay, now next we have to take the last divisor and divide it with the next number, like 2, 12. So 6. Here then it will be 12 and 0. Then again this we have to take the last divisor and divide it next. Then it is 18 and means 8, not 18, and 16. So the last divisor now is 2. Hence 2 is the HCF of all of these numbers, 6, 10, 12 and 16. Okay, so this is HCF. If you want to learn more about maths, then go to my channel. There will be more videos of mathematics, and also the links are in the description below. So today we have learned what is HCF. We will meet in the next video. Bye.